How to learn basic English for beginners.
Welcome to your first step in mastering English. Today we're diving into the essentials that will set you on the path to fluency. Let's start with the building blocks of the language, the alphabet. As each letter appears on your screen, repeat after me. Great job. Now, let's move on to some basic vocabulary. Can you guess what these words mean? Don't worry if you don't get them all right. Practice makes perfect. Next up, simple sentences. We'll construct them together, piece by piece. Remember, every sentence is a new opportunity to express yourself. Now let's tackle some common phrases. These are your keys to everyday conversations. Try using them in your daily interactions. Throughout this tutorial, you'll encounter interactive quizzes. These are your challenges, your chance to test what you've learned. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're just stepping stones to success. As we wrap up, remember that learning a language is like playing a game. Each new word, sentence, and phrase is a level you've conquered. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, have fun. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be speaking English with confidence. Until next time, happy learning.